All right, thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. We have a minimal severe threat taking us into the first full week of April 2016 here. We have some cool and snowy conditions in parts of the Northeast, mainly around the Great Lakes, and warmer conditions in the western U.S. setting up. But our thunder threat for this Monday shows up as just a general thunderstorm concern of the mid-Atlantic states, parts of the high plains, the Intermountain West. As this next impulse of energy crosses into the central U.S., we have a marginal threat from parts of Kansas and in northwestern Missouri, and then by Wednesday the threat shifting into the Tennessee Valley and the Gulf Coast states. But that will also help to bring in some snow to the far north and also some rain and heavier precipitation farther south. But there's one clipper. You can still see some snow across parts of the Northeast, that line of showers, isolated rumbles of thunder, the demarcation line between that cooler air to the far north. So that's really going to be dropping temperatures here across the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley today. As we head back to the west, here comes our next system. And again, we're going to see some snowfall transitioning along the international border, but then rain and thunder as you head a little farther south. And that will continue on Tuesday and Wednesday. There's that snowfall sitting along and just north of the international border. 5 days out, precipitation values in light blue indicating about an inch. Then some heavier tallies from the Great Lakes into parts of the Northeast. Then some sparse precip as you head into the western U.S. with some high elevation snow there. There's that chance of some plowable, very slushy accumulations from the Arrowhead into parts of the Northeast. Temperatures looking out through the next, well, at least into the early to middle part of April, below average across the Great Lakes and warmer in the western U.S. And then here's that pocket of colder weather today. Temperatures around the Great Lakes about 10 to 20 degrees below average, but the plains and the front range of the Rockies almost 10 to 20 degrees above average. Places like Denver and Billings, it'll be 90 in Phoenix today, and some cooler and soggy weather heading into the Northeast.